Hey everyone, it's Corey from ID Parts, and today I want to show you the latest product from Sasquatch. It's a new battery strap to upgrade your Chevrolet Colorado diesel, or in this case, a GMC Canyon diesel, to a larger Group 31 AGM style battery. Battery upgrades are really great options for people who run a lot of accessories, light bars, winches, whatever. Those things put a really high strain on the electrical system, and having a larger battery with better reserve capacity will be sure all those things are running exactly like they should, and you're not going to get stranded in the middle of the woods with a dead battery. Second, with a larger battery, you're going to increase the cold cranking amps. That's really important for cold starts, especially when the temperature drops below freezing. I've had a couple pretty cold mornings with this truck, and I wasn't too impressed with how fast the engine cranked, especially when it was like 10 degrees below zero. It's a little bit worrying. So I think that the factory battery is already a little bit maybe undersized to handle what this engine needs. So Sasquatch released this great battery strap. It's one piece of metal. It's powder coated green. Looks awesome. It uses the OEM tie down bolt and fender clamp. So there's really nothing else to do. It's got a great fuse block on the front of it. Should be a pretty easy install. Let's get started. And you can see where this goes on. It's going to strap right over and hit the OEM locations for the tie down bolt and this little, hook area that secures the strap on the inside of the fender. Use a 13mm wrench to take off the tie down clamp. $10mm. Take the negative side off first. You don't have to worry about arcing when you try to take the positive side off if you accidentally hit a fender. Now we're going to disassemble all the cables that attach to the battery. The larger ones are 13mm, the smaller ones are 8mm. Now the final step is to take the bottom tie-down strap off. There you go. Now the battery. Before we put the new battery in, I wanted to give you a comparison of the new battery versus the stock size battery. It's obvious, you can tell, the Group 31 battery is much bigger than the stock, which is a Group 49 AGM battery, especially in the height. The height is really the thing that's different here. What does that get you, the extra size? Well, you get upgraded from a pretty measly 850 cold cranking amps to a pretty amazing 1150 cold cranking amps. That's like 35% of an increase in cold cranking amps, and that's huge. So when you're starting the truck, when it's cold, you've got the glow plugs going, you've got the starter going, you've got the AdBlue heater going. That's a lot of amperage getting pulled. This battery is not going to have any problem with any of that. It also has a much larger total capacity. So again, if you're running those accessories, you have no worries draining down this battery. It's got plenty to spare. Let's put this in the truck. Now we can put the support block back in place and drop the tie-down bolt in place. Got to catch the hook in the fender first. Then you can drop it down over the stud. Now that we got it lined up, you can reattach the securing nut. Excellent. $13mm on these bigger posts. There we go. The 4 in the front. Again, these are numbered 1 through 4, so try to match the numbering here. And snap the covers back on. Once that's all done, you can reattach the rear strap. All right, I've got everything bolted up. I've got the 2 main battery cables on. I've got the fuse block here bolted up. Everything's tightened down. I've got the negative terminal bolted on, secured. Everything looks good. I'm going to turn the truck on now.